Swaddy Cap, and welcome to Meditation Pod and today's video. Today is Thursday, the Sib Ped of September, Nung Sisib. And for today, we have been asked to explain exactly the process for you to receive your prescription. How do I get my prescription, please? Tell you the process I followed. Weed TH, online, fill in your details. It asks you for your condition. Conditions are listed. However, if your condition is not in the list, select other and you list your condition, i.e. anxiety, PTSD, pain, whatever the condition. Enter. Next question, how the condition affects you, and you explain exactly if the anxiety is daily, pain, same, explain. You find the herb to work wonders as it does. Hit send. Because in my case, the video was reviewed. There was a video and as well, I believe, or two, or perhaps I recorded two. Either way, it's reviewed by a doctor. The doctor then approves you, and you get sent this in the post. You then have a legal, medicinal prescription. You could also, once in Thailand, once you've arrived, go to any of the dispensaries, walk in and simply ask. I'm sure they will guide you, anyone will guide you through the process. You will then get your prescription. Okay, I hope that clears everything up and you understand. Do not worry, there's flowers for all. Okay, now if you've been watching, please do subscribe. A like is very much appreciated. And if you could share, then it will greatly help Breatharian travels to grow. Cop and Cap. We'll see you all in the next video.